Hi everyone, my name is Liz Hickok. I am your instructor this semester for Library 10. Please feel free to call me Liz. I was an adjunct part-time instructor at two different community colleges before I became full-time at SJCC this year. And before that, I was also a high school librarian for 4 years. And I also spent 4 years as a technology and technical services supervisor in public libraries. So I'm really excited about using tools like instructional tools like Canvas and other instructional technologies to integrate into the curriculum and to really help students succeed. So I get really excited about how to make that connection between learning and technology. I'm so happy to be your instructor this semester and to connect with you online. Um, a little bit about me personally. I have a 6-year-old daughter who is asleep right now. And she is absolutely animal crazy. And so we have two cats. One of them's walking around over here. Hopefully, at some point, you'll see one of them in my lap sometime this semester. And these turtles actually belong to her grandparents. These aren't actually at our house, but she does also have two guinea pigs here, Sally and Francis, in her room. And then tonight, for the first time, she actually has a dog. We adopted and rescued a dog tonight. So we just got back from Fresno, and we're very excited to be welcoming the newest member of our family. So hopefully I'll get a chance to send you some pictures this semester and tell you more about how we are doing with our rescue dog. So I hope to hear more from you and learn more about you and all of the things that are important in your life and what you're hoping to get out of the class. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you have, and I really look forward to getting to know you this semester. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.